guys, my name is Josephine and today I will be showing you how to use this chapati maker. So there are some most essential things that I would want you to understand first. That this chapati maker, it have a temperature control. It is also stainless steel, and it have indicator lights, and it have 1800 watts. In the inside it is non-stick, and in the outside it is stainless steel. So now let me show you the actual chapati maker. So this is how it looks like. So guys, if you look on top of it, we have these two lights. So the red light is when you put it on power, it goes on, and the green light, it tells you that the chapati maker is ready for use. Here we have a temperature knob that you can make adjustment if you want low heat and if you want high heat. So if you check on top, it is stainless steel. If you check inside, it is non-stick. So we also have this handle here. So this handle here, it helps you press the upper cover when you put your chapati roll inside, and it will help you to roll your chapati, so you won't have to use the manual way of rolling out your chapati. The first thing that you will notice when you unpack your chapati maker is that it have this 2-feet cable. It also comes with these two indicators. We have the red indicator and a green indicator. So for the red one, it goes on when you connect it to power. For the green one, it goes on to notify you when your chapati maker is ready for use. Now, slightly below here, we have a temperature knob, and this temperature knob helps you to adjust the temperatures from low to high. So again, when you're adjusting your temperatures, this one will enable you to cook on a pace that you are so comfortable in. So when we open up our chapati maker, as you can see guys, we have it inside, we have a non-stick, and outside it is a stainless steel, so that means it cannot rust. So we also have this handle here that helps us to press on our lid. So this one will help you out when you are rolling your chapati roll or your chapati dough. So guys, this is our chapati maker again, and here we are going to make the chapati. So open up your chapati maker, take out your chapati roll and place it at the center of your chapati maker. Press it for some few seconds and then release. So this is how your chapati will look like. It is well dry and ready to be taken to the next step. So going ahead to the next step, this is where now you organize and plan yourself to adding some more oil. So you add oil on the upper part of your chapati, just like we do on our conventional way, and you do the same at the downside part of your chapati. Immediately after that, you close your chapati maker again for some few seconds and then open it, and this is how your chapati will be looking like. It is already cooked on both sides and it is ready to be served.